Every day, facilities like yours use essential PPE to protect workers and process quality. But what happens after it's used? Ansell's RightCycle program offers a responsible, affordable, and transparent solution. Here's how it works. Step 1. Collect eligible Ansell PPE in designated bins. We can provide customized labels for your use. Step 2. Place used items into Gaylord boxes. Label each box with a tracking number generated through waste bits. Step 3. Ship your boxes to a consolidation site or directly to our service providers. Verify the correct ship-to location with the RightCycle team. You can select your favorite carrier or contact the RightCycle team for assistance. Please note that you'll be responsible for paying freight costs. Step 4. At our first partner's facility, materials are inspected and non-recyclable parts removed. We're proud to partner with Jackson County Development Center to do this work. JCDC is a nonprofit organization that provides jobs and services for people with disabilities in the Millwood, West Virginia community. Step 5. The prepared materials are then sent to our processing partners. The used PPE is processed in either one of two ways. In the RightCycle scientific program, materials are shredded and then processed into plastic pellets. These pellets are sent to manufacturers that use them to make durable goods like outdoor furniture. In the RightCycle industrial program, materials are turned into alternative engineered fuels, or AEFs, which are then used in industrial applications, such as cement manufacturing, to replace coal as fuel for the high-temperature kilns. All processing costs for both the scientific and industrial programs are paid for by RightCycle. After processing is complete, you can see your landfill diversion data through your Waste Bits account dashboard, generate customized reports that you can share with your team, and track the progress that you make against your company's ESG targets. Join hundreds of organizations already on the journey to zero waste. With RightCycle, landfill is no longer the end of the line. It's the beginning of a brighter future. Learn more at Ansell.com. Ansell, leading the world to a safer future.